Most people don't get stuck because they're lazy. They get stuck because they're comfortable. The truth is, middle-class money habits look responsible on the surface. Steady job, new car, nice neighborhood. But some of those same habits quietly drain your freedom. Today, we're breaking down 5 common middle-class money traps that keep millions of people spinning in place, and how you can flip each one to start building real wealth. Habit number 1, relying on one source of income. Most people trade time for money and stop there. One job, one paycheck, one point of failure. But what happens if that paycheck stops? For decades, that was fine. Companies were stable and pensions were a thing. But today, job security is an illusion. Marty works hard at his 9 to 5. But when his boss cuts overtime hours, his whole budget shakes. That's the risk of relying on one engine to power your life. You don't need 10 side hustles. You just need one extra stream. That could be investing $10 a day into index funds that quietly grow in the background, freelancing a skill online, or building a small digital product once that sells again and again. The goal isn't to work 16 hours a day. It's to separate your income from your time. Because real security doesn't come from your employer. It comes from your options. Habit number 2, lifestyle inflation. Here's the middle-class trap nobody warns you about. Every time your income rises, your spending rises right along with it. You get a raise, and somehow the old car suddenly feels too old. You move to a bigger house, and suddenly you need better furniture. That's lifestyle inflation. It feels like progress, but it actually resets you to zero, just with fancier bills. Marty gets a $5,000 raise and immediately upgrades his car. Same paycheck cycle, new paint color. When your income increases, decide in advance what percent goes to freedom, not upgrades. Example, save or invest half of every raise. If your raise is $5,000, invest $2,500 and enjoy the other $2,500 guilt-free. That way, every raise moves you forward instead of keeping you stuck at the same financial level with more stuff to maintain. Habit number 3, ignoring retirement. The middle class is great at working hard today, but terrible at preparing for tomorrow. Ask most people in their 30s or 40s about retirement, and you'll hear, "I'll figure it out later." But later never comes. Every year you wait to invest is another year lost to compound growth. Imagine 2 friends. Sophia starts investing $300 a month at 25. Marty waits until 35. Even if they invest the same amount for the same total years, Sophia ends up with almost double the money, just by starting 10 years earlier. That's the magic of compounding. Time turns small dollars into big freedom. If your employer offers a 401k match, grab it, it's free money. If not, open an IRA or Roth IRA. Start small, automate it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because the goal isn't to retire rich, it's to retire free. Habit number 4, spending on things that lose value. The middle class often mistakes appearance for progress. They buy cars, furniture, and gadgets that drop in value the second they swipe their card. There's nothing wrong with enjoying life, but most people accidentally build an inventory of liabilities. Your $50,000 car might make you feel successful, but 5 years later it's worth $20,000, and you've paid interest on the difference. Meanwhile, that same $50,000 invested in a simple S&P 500 fund could have grown towards 6 figures. Buy things that either hold value or create value. Quality tools or tech that help you earn more. Assets that appreciate, stocks, real estate, digital products. Experiences that build skills or memories, not just photos. Ask yourself before every big purchase, will this make me richer in 5 years or poorer? Habit number 5, being too comfortable in your comfort zone. The most dangerous middle-class habit isn't financial, it's mental. Comfort. You get a stable job, decent benefits, predictable weekends, and slowly, you stop growing. That's fine, until the world changes faster than you do. New technology, new skills, new opportunities. And suddenly, your comfort zone becomes a cage. Stay curious. Learn a new skill every year that could earn or save you money, whether it's investing basics, digital tools, or public speaking. Marty once feared investing, so he watched a few Smart Money Hub videos, learned the basics, and automated his first $10 a day. That one decision grew into confidence, and confidence is what breaks the comfort cycle. The wealthy aren't fearless, they just keep moving while everyone else hesitates. The middle class was built on hard work and security, But today, those same habits can quietly hold you back. Let's recap. Don't rely on one income. Build options. Watch lifestyle creep. Let raises create freedom, not debt. Start retirement now. Time is your best investor. Buy assets, not trophies. Stay uncomfortable enough to grow. If you start fixing just one of these, the next 5 years of your life will look completely different. Because wealth isn't about money, it's about control. And control starts with awareness. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it with someone who's stuck in the middle class cycle. And when you're ready to go deeper, watch my next video.